Welcome students, let us focus our attention on value based questions relating to company account portion. Topic first, issue of shares. Let us start with a question. AB Limited issued 5 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each for public subscription. The application received are 6 lakh shares. Now, what values are involved if all the applicants are allotted pro rata? Pro rata means proportionate allotment to everybody. So, we are following the following values: no favoritism, and second, equal opportunity for all. But what happens if some of the applicants, say those excess 1 lakh, are given letter of regret and the remaining shares are allotted 5 lakh shares? Now, in this case we have not observed the value of equality, because we have said no to few people and yes to other people. So, we are not following the principle of equality. Next question: what values are involved if a company reserves some portion for small investors, that is retail investor, and some portion for its employees as per the SEBI guidelines? First, we are promoting small saving habits. Second, we are involving all sections of the society in the development of the country and profit sharing. As well as third point, protection of small investor interest by giving them some portion of the total issue. Now, let us examine few questions on issue of debentures. First point, what values are observed by making debenture trust deed? First point, full disclosure of all the material facts. Second, protection of debenture holder interest by disclosing all the important information, date of payment of interest and date of repayment of actual liability. Similarly, next question, what values are observed by creating debenture redemption reserve? I hope you know debenture redemption reserve is created when debentures are redeemed out of profits. So, we are following the following values: paying the liability through profits and that too in phases. Next, protecting debenture holder interest by appropriating profit as a security to debenture redemption reserve, so that they feel secured that they will be paid money in time and the company is not having all the profits with itself. Let us examine the next question on ratio analysis. If a company is maintaining excess cash against its requirement, then which value is missing? Answer will be efficient utilization of resources, because by blocking too much money in cash, we are not using it productively for the company profits. Let us take another question on comparative analysis. What are the values involved when we are doing comparative analysis of profit and loss account and balance sheet? The answer is analytical ability. Second, estimation about the future. By comparing the profit and loss and balance sheet, we can predict about what will happen in the future to come. Now, let us discuss some general problems. Question: in the pre-independence era, when some big industrialists, which are now big industrialists, started their venture like steel industry, mining, etc., in rural and backward areas like Bihar, Bengal, Orissa. At that time they were backward areas, right now they are progressing, although populated, but with no infrastructure. What values these big industrialists thought at that time? The values thought by these people at that time was: first, courage. This is the first and most important value, that is entrepreneurship, to think and start something productive. Second, development of rural areas. Third, sensitivity toward educational and environment, that is social issues. Next, best utilization of available resources, maybe land, maybe labor. Next, motivation for all employees. Next, respect for all religions, because everybody from every caste and every religion was part of the factory. Next, nation building, because at that time when Britishers were here, we were trying to make our own India, right. Next, providing infrastructure, maybe by committing some percentage of profits for that purpose, building roads, building hospitals, building schools, etc. Next, channelizing the small saving for development by distributing in form of shares. Everybody can become a partner in the growth. Next, unity among people of different states, because when people of different states are working in one factory, there is unity among them also. Next question, a company making food products have issued instruction to his employees to wash their hands with sanitizer and wear fresh sanitized overcoats, caps and shoes which are sterilized every day, irrespective of their post. Also, they cannot touch the product directly with their hands, that is, they should wear gloves before handling the product. Now, what are the values involved in this question? In this question, the values promoted are: first, equality among all employees, because post is not considered, you have to wear these clothes irrespective of your post. Next, sensitivity toward health and sanitary issues, and third, healthy and quality product for the consumers. Now, what values are followed when we revalue the assets and liabilities in case of partnership, admission, retirement, death or change in profit sharing ratio? The answer is adaptability to changes. Whatever changes are there, we incorporate them in the revaluation account. Transparency, by distributing the old profit or losses among old and excluding the new partner out of that, we are providing transparency to the new partner. Next question, what values are followed when debentures are redeemed in installments? First point, equal opportunity to all debenture holders. Second, good financial decision in case of company to repay its liability in installment. Next question, why infrastructure companies are allowed to redeem the debentures without creating debenture redemption reserve? I hope you know, when we redeem debentures out of profits, we have to create debenture redemption reserve equal to 50% of the amount to be redeemed, but infrastructure companies are exempted from that particular point. Why? Because we want to promote infrastructure companies, that is road, dam, bridges, schools, hospitals. We want them to be built, and that too at a very fast speed. Next question, if operating ratio is 25% for one company and 35% for another company, now which company is better? Now, less ratio means efficient utilization of resources. So, lesser the better, operating ratio. Sometime big ratio can be good, but sometime low ratio can be good. So, we have to see which kind of question is being asked. Next question, what are the values followed when we make cash flow statement? First point, analytical mind, that is, what are the operating, investing and financial activities? We analyze and distribute them properly. And second, calculative mind, yes. Next question, if a company is trying to put up an industry in a tribal area where people are available for less wages, as they do not have much knowledge about the rules and regulations, etc., what kind of values we are promoting either good or bad. Let us think about it. Putting an industry in a tribal area is a very good thought, because you are trying to improve the situation there by providing infrastructure and employment to those people, but giving them less wages as they are not having the knowledge is a bad value. So, when we are given a question, we can be asked good values, we can be asked bad values also, like I had done in the last class, violating the values. So, we are violating here what? The right of a person to get good wages. Next question, if a company is trying its product on animals only, then what values are being violated? Answer is, it is cruelty towards animals, which is a bad value. It means we are allowed to test the product on animals, but with prior permissions, and if we are using only animals, that means we are doing cruelty towards them. Next question, if a company allot more share to people applying more and less to those applying less, and rejecting those who are applying very less, now which values are being violated? To take an example, let us see, a group applying for 10,000 and above is getting 8,000 shares. A group applying for 5,000 to 10,000 shares is getting 3,000 shares, and 1,000 to 5,000 are getting only 250 shares, and below 1,000 are getting nil. Now, which values are being violated here? Values violated are no equal opportunity, and second, we are discouraging small investors rather than encouraging them. So, what would have been a better option? The better option would have been the opposite way. So, values have to be incorporated by making good rules and regulations and following them also. Now, next question, if the shares are forfeited, what values are affected? First of all, as per the rules, notice to be given to the shareholder before the forfeiture. He must be given proper time. Although the better way can be to give him so much share for amount paid by him, but right now this rule is not existing. So, it can be a good value if allowed. If a company has a choice for setting up an industry in a backward state with labor intensive technology or capital intensive technology with modern machinery, then if it adopts the first alternative, then values observed are development of the rural area, employment for all, and national development. So, you see, values are what we think about others, nation, quality product, and so on. So, we can decide all these type of questions in this way. So, this completes our topic on value based question. Thank you very much.